Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I will teach you about what are the advantages and disadvantages of a small business. This is the learning objective for this session. As you know that after COVID-19, many businesses in different sector from primary, secondary to tertiary sector are facing some challenges of any kind or maybe of different types. Now, the idea behind small business is that it has got a lot of flexibility because the small business can change very fast, very quickly as per the change in the preference of customer and consumer. Now, I will explain the advantages of small business. First, independence and control. There is independence and control in the small business because there is the freedom to take decisions at what time to come to the office, what time to close the office, and who will be your customer, what kind of culture you will be having in your business, how many employees will be there, who will be catering to the needs of your customers and consumers in your business. Say for example, if I have got a hair salon or maybe I have got a coffee shop, then I have got an independence and control over my working timings, my staff, my logistics, my operations management. So this is the first part of small business, which is advantage. Second advantage is lifestyle and freedom. Lifestyle and freedom basically means that you are your own boss in your business. There is no one who is telling you what to wear, when to wear, at what time to eat, what will be your working hours, and there is no one to direct you that this is right or that is wrong. So when you are the owner, you have to think 360-degree analysis of the business, risk management of the business, risk analysis of the business, and you have to set your lifestyle as per the need of the business. Third advantage of small business is unlimited financial benefits. The reason behind unlimited financial benefits is that when you start any kind of business, you focus on what is your cash inflows and what is your cash outflow. When cash inflows and cash outflows are being monitored or being tracked, it helps in gaining your financial benefits, or it increases your financial benefits because you know how much you need for your business, like how much money you need on a regular basis for your supply chain, how much money you need for buying your raw material, and how much return on investment you can make on your total cash inflows and outflows. So that is an important consideration, and because of that you can multiply your earnings, which result in unlimited financial benefits. Now moving on to disadvantages of small business. First is financial risk. When you are investing in the business, you have to see that what will be the risk of investing in this business at this point of time, and what will be the return on my investment, and in how much time I will get the return on investment. If unforeseen events are there in the business, if high competition is there in the business and demand is not increasing for that particular product or service in your business, then there is a financial risk to your business. That is a disadvantage to small business. Next is stress and health issues. When you are committed to your business and you are focusing on growth of the business and you are the only one who is taking care of the business, who is managing all the departments, whether it is HR, supply chain, finance, banking, buying raw material, dealing with customers, taking feedback from the customers, it adds to your stress, it adds to some health issues. So as a business person, we should consider that first priority is reducing the stress and taking care of our health. So that is also a disadvantage. Disadvantage number third is time commitment. Time is very valuable for any business. The more time you give to the business, it adds to the value of the business, it adds to the increase of market share, it adds to the increase of market capitalization. So that's why time commitment is important. Some people or some businessmen invest sometimes 24/7 into their business so that they can grow the business, they can see a long term return on the investments. So, this is all about advantages and disadvantages of a small business. If you need more explanation to this tutorial, please do revert back on teaching and coaching 2020 at the rate gmail.com. Your feedback is very valuable to me. And once again, I am really thankful to you for watching this video till here. Thank you so much.